Hello, this is Mr. Bridge from Fujian Xinhong again. Very thankful for all of you guys to subscribe our channel. And in last chapter 1, we have already introduced our functions of the display controllers to all of you guys. I hope you guys have already remembered in your brain. And if you forget them, no worry. You can click the link again to see them again, okay? In this chapter, we will introduce the another functions of this machine, the laser alignment, okay? But before introduce to you, I want to ask some questions for you guys. The first one is, have you ever met with the problem? It is very hard to find the right positions for your patterns on the shirts. This is the first question. And another one is that, have you ever used a t-shirt ruler but forget to remove them to make this machine in a mess condition? I think most of the customers have these two bad experience before. But with our new laser alignments, it can very easily to solve these questions. Do you believe it? No? Okay, no problem. Come with me. Okay, right now first, what we need to do is to turn on the switch of the laser alignment. And you will find here, have different kind of lines shown on the plate. And right now it is in a masked condition. We need to adjust it, okay? So first, you have to prepare a wrench like this one. A small wrench, and in each head, we have separate individual screws to locate the laser head. So first, we have to lose it one by one and to find a right position of them. Like this one, this is the bottom. Yeah. We have to make in right positions with another one and fix it. And let's check another one. Okay, make it in vertical and fix it. And I think this one is not in the horizontal, so I have to fix it again. Okay, right now it is perfect. So it is very easy for our new laser alignments to adjust to meet the different kind of patterns, so that you can position the patterns in the right position on the shirts. Okay, so right now I will show you the by a blanket t-shirts like this. First, we have to put this on the plate, make it in a right position, and put the patterns which you prepared on the shirts like this. And if you think the space of these alignments it is not very in right position, you can first to locate the patterns and then use the wrench to adjust each lines to make it in right way. Okay. So except of this side, we have another 4 heads in another plate. You will find here. So that's why we call it 8 heads laser alignments. It is very convenient for our customers to use it to position in the patterns. Okay, friends. So today we have introduced all the information to you guys in this chapter. In next chapter, we will introduce the operation of the display controller. So I hope you can follow us and subscribe our channel. And let's see you next time. Okay.